Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Western Union account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a recipient or a receiver into your Western Union account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a recipient into Western Union anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request that you send them payment through Western Union. And instead of going to the store and sending cash, you can set up in the account. You just have to click a few buttons to the new recipient. It's just a lot more convenient and less time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Western Union dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Western Union account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new recipient, here on the top menu, you're going to click on the hamburger menu. It's these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on My Receivers. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the receivers you currently have in Western Union. However, to add a new recipient, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this button here, Add Receiver. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to enter in your new receiver's information. Just note that if your employee moves around to different countries, you're going to have a different recipient profile for each country. So for example, if you were going to send me money and I was visiting Australia, you're going to create a recipient account for me, Anthony, in Australia. And then let's say 2 months later, I'm living in Spain. You're going to need to create a new recipient profile for me in Spain. So first what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the country. Once you've clicked on this bar, it's going to show you a list of countries. So you just scroll through. Once you've chosen the country, you're going to go ahead and enter in their given name, which is going to be their first and middle name, and then last name right here. If they have a second last name, you can go ahead and enter that here. Some countries generally will have 2 last names, but that really depends. A good rule of thumb, when you're adding in a recipient, make sure that you use their complete name as they have it on their ID. If you're not sure what they have on their ID, ask them to email you either a copy of their passport or the ID they're going to use to pick up the money, or for them to confirm. Because what happens a lot of time, if they don't give you the full name, it's not going to go through. And they might be upset at you and say you sent the wrong name. And that way you have it in writing for your recipient, the name that they requested you add onto the money transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see, we added a new recipient right here. Also, you're going to see this green pop up here confirming that a receiver was added. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new recipient into your Western Union account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.